Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video about poker. Today, we are going to talk about cold 4-bet and cold call 3-bet ranges. To get started, let's define what a cold 4-bet is, and when a player can do it. Let's use a real hand as an example to define what a cold 4-bet is. In this case, the button open raises. Then, the small blind decides to 3-bet. Now, we are in the big blind with pocket tens and we have to decide what to do. This is a cold 4-bet scenario, so we select its tab in our app. The default range reflects our current scenario. We are in the big blind. The button is the open raiser. And the small blind did the 3-bet. Now, with pocket tens, we must cold 4-bet 100% of the time. At the beginning, we also talk about cold call 3-bet. A cold call is when we are calling a 3-bet without being the original open raiser. This is a weak move, so if our hand isn't strong enough to 4-bet, it is not strong enough to contest the pot at all. This is why we have 0% of cold call in our app's ranges. In conclusion, we should always cold 4-bet or just fold. We reached the end of this tutorial. If you have any comments or questions, please write a comment below.